Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 19th October 2025. Title of Murli. Be worthy and show the Father's face through your face. As well as being constructive, Nirman, in doing service, also keep abundance of speaking pure, Nirmal, words and having a humble, Nirman, stage. Bap Dada said, in the future world, there will be one kingdom and one religion. And what will that religion be? It will be the religion of complete purity. So, check yourself, is your purity absolute? Is there not even a trace or thought of impurity, even in your dreams? Then Baba asked, have you not made this promise that we, as the Father's companions, will become instruments for the welfare of the world and establish a new world of happiness and peace? Therefore, it is not only about making spiritual effort, Purusharth, now, but also about experiencing the reward of that effort in the present moment itself. Always remember, the coming new world will be created on the foundation of the divine sanskars you cultivate now through God's remembrance. Further, Baba said, experiencing peace in a peaceful atmosphere is not a great achievement. But you, the children of the ocean of peace, have the power to remain like a lotus, detached and pure, and to transform an atmosphere of restlessness into one of peace. So, check yourself, are you a transformer, or are you influenced by circumstances? Your title itself is Master Almighty Authority, never forget this truth. Finally, Baba said, the speed of time is accelerating rapidly. Therefore, do not remain merely a spiritual aspirant, Purusharthi. Become a powerful and intense aspirant, Tivra Purusharthi. From this very moment, begin to experience the elevated reward of your spiritual efforts for the long future to come. Blessing for today. May you become an image of attraction by increasing the shine of your soul conscious form with the oil of attention. Details are: once the star of the soul conscious form has been made to shine by the Father with this knowledge, it cannot be extinguished. However, the percentage of the shine can increase or reduce. The shining star will attract everyone when you continue to pour the oil of attention into the lamp every day at Amrit Vela. When oil is poured into a lamp, it remains constantly lit. To pay full attention in this way means to instill in yourself all the Father's virtues and powers. By paying such attention, you will become an image of attraction. Slogan is, have an attitude of unlimited disinterest and reveal the seed of spiritual endeavor. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. In order to accumulate the power of yoga, increase your practice of the balance of karma and yoga. While performing actions, let there be a powerful stage of yoga. Increase this practice. Just as you create inventions for doing service, in the same way, make time for the practice of these special experiences. Bring about newness and become an example for everyone.